What's up, Feeder Country? Thanks for tuning in today. If it's your first time watching, I hope to earn your subscription. So this video is day one of my first day ever in Idaho. I went out there with the Boondockers, which was awesome. Any trip with those guys is really fun. Little warning, the first clip is a little foggy. I had ice on the lens of my GoPro, but just stick through it. After that clip, all the rest of them are great. So let's dive into the video. One last note, I want to give a big thank you to everyone on my Instagram who bought my little holographic sticker. You guys are awesome. Almost sold out in the first 3 days. By the time you see this video, they're probably sold out, but check my website down below, feedercountry.bigcartel.com, and you can find all the great Feeder Country merch.
Went down the trail a little ways. Now we're out here in the trees, making our way to the zone. It's a nice cold morning, although I'll tell you what, I'm a little surprised at how not cold it is compared to California. This morning it was maybe 12 degrees or so. Nice January morning. And I was expecting maybe some single digits, maybe some below zero. So I'm feeling quite warm and comfy. The snow though is very light. It's much better snow than what we've got at home. That's for sure. What's up, dude?
What's up? Sick, dude.
Yeah, Nick and I are over here. We just linked up. We're making our way towards the sun. So whatever direction that is. Towards the sun? Yeah, it's me and Nick. We're just headed towards the sun since that's where we heard you guys last. I got the drone in the air, so we're headed that way. Out here.
Up at the sled.
The snow is sweet.
That was supposed
Man, Idaho gorgeous. Oh man, the snow is so good too. Could be a little deeper, but you know, I'll take it. Oh, gotta go up. There's Chris back there.
That was really cool.
Hell yeah. Chris, where's my camera? Boys just did a little jumping right there. We got Nick Reedy, the cameraman, Brock Berry. Here we go. Headed off somewhere over there. I don't know, man. So I never know where we're going with these guys. I just got to follow. That is my job. My job is to follow. Not get stuck. So far today, we're doing pretty good. Yeah, over here somewhere. Who knows? Who cares? We're having fun. Gully wants to suck us that way, but we're gonna go this way. Got Nick Reedy in front of us again here. Woo! You know, one of the nice things about being in the back here, make sure we got everything zipped up. One nice thing about being in the back is you tend to get a nicer highway. Although sometimes the highway can be more taxing. It's better to make your own route, but the highway is usually a safe way. But it's tiring. So let's do a little bit of our own. Oh, that's much better. Much better. Here we go. Anthony's stuck up here on the hill. It's pretty weird rolling in here, and I've got to try to make it on that. You want a hand? Oh, that was nice. Got the chain out now. Chris is filming me getting stuck. This is what you gotta do. Pretty proud though of myself for first stuck of the day. It's after lunch.
Go straight up right here, Al. Ben got hooked on a tree, so I'm just waiting for him, but you want to go straight up this ridge.
Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, man. Cutting down these trees. Doing our part. Prevent forest fires. There we go. Not stuck anymore. Yeah, buddy. There go the boys. Right on up. Well, got out of that mess. Wow. Well,
Just keep coming up.
that was funny.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall behind him. I'll turn right behind him.
Okay.
He said he never run if he wasn't kidding. I was on a whole lot longer. I couldn't go.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Beaver Country. Woo! Idaho, it's fun, baby. Hopefully, well, not hopefully, but tune in for another episode tomorrow. Oh yeah, man, look at that backdrop. Oh, my boy Nick. Later, y'all. Well, of course, the way out is just treacherous. We were gonna turn the GoPro on a second ago, but we just jumped the creek. Oh boy. And now we're headed back